So if you're someone who is looking to set up their OBS studio with a virtual background, you're at the right place because I am going to tell you how you can set it up very easily. You don't need any additional software. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. So this is my desktop, and on the desktop, on the top section, you will have OBS Studio where you can start streaming, recording, and even start virtual camera. Just its right side, you'll find this particular icon. So actually, I'm shooting this video with my iPhone camera, and that's the reason it is showing the iPhone camera. And here you can have a multiple option for the background. You see, so this is by default, which OBS Studio provides. So you don't need any additional software for this. You see, there is this background. So if you'll click on that, you will have this colorful background, and if you'll just go with these options, you'll have these backgrounds for yourself. I have also added one virtual background. I have created it or I have downloaded from someone. This is how you can create your virtual background as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.